just finished showing us Unit 1. How much is this going for?
Unit 1 is about under 3,200.
Under 3,200.
Yeah, you actually have a good sized living room space here. 2 bedrooms, 1 full bath. Unit number 2 is an in-law, 1 bedroom in-law, 2 burner cooktop. You basically have,
nice.
Yeah, right here too.
All
souffle. Exhaust. Big yard, very strong. Water's running beautifully. Also with a
garbage
garbage
disposal.
disposal.
And then how many people would live in this
This would
unit?
be for maybe a single person or maybe a couple. This is 1 bedroom here.
Okay.
It has a window. It's a little warm today. Great weather.
And then this is a huge bedroom. What's the square foot on this bedroom?
I would say maybe almost. That's a good question. I'd say about at least 100 feet of the square footage here.
Nice. And then it leads out to the kitchen.
Leads out to the kitchen.
And then which leads out to
And out here, that's
the backyard.
Yep, exactly. You have your own private access.
Private
It's not
access.
leave out. There is a full bathroom.
And then like a European style.
European, exactly. That's the correct term. That's exactly
New
for the
remodel.
Europeans.
Wow. Some marble floor.
Yeah, looks like. Okay.
How much is this unit renting out for?
Oh, there's always negotiations. I imagine it could be only $2,000.
All right.
Would definitely go for under $2,000, 1 bedroom in the peninsula. I mean, I believe that's a fair price for a newly remodeled bedroom.
Huge bedroom.
Basically a master bedroom size.
Look at this lighting.
Yeah.
Fancy.
You have.
Then you got some storage.
Lighting.
You got some
storage here. Storage space. We can also add racks here.
Nice.
Cabinets.
Nice.
Cabinets. And it's all drawers. Everything is really modeled brand new. Quartz countertop here. Unit. Bedroom flat. We're on a beautiful deck. It's about 14 by 14 space. Surprisingly, a lot of car space.
Okay. So is this a common area?
This could be a common area. There's super big storage. You can consider this a common area, living room, a bedroom. Here is the kitchenette. For dining, for eating.
And then is this more
This
storage?
is more storage space. You're looking on the right. Watch this. Here, go in there and then
Go in there?
look over here. Oh. Hello, nice to see you.
Oh,
Storage
what?
space. Yes.
What is? Did you did that come like that, or did you build that? Or?
No, it came with these Cape Cod houses is what they're called. These are kind of the format. And here is the bathroom. It's a little dirty, but bear with me when we turn on some lights.
And this is more storage here.
Just more, a little bit of a
So like a towel closet. Okay. Another look at the kitchen.
There's more closet space on this side. Huge closets.
Nice.
It's a nice, cute room. Work either a college student, young working professional, small family. This was basically what we're trying to fill. Big closets.
And this style of house is called a Cape Cod house?
Yeah, the style is called Cape Cod. Cape Cod home. The way the roof is shaped, the way the closet space is now. But it's definitely modern. I mean, the floor gives it the vibe of a warm space. Pacifica, as you know, got some cool days. Definitely well insulated.
And how much is this unit going for?
You know what we've discussed is probably under 2,800. We'll probably be able to be between under 2,800. We do a lot of versatility. Put a grill right on that deck and enjoy the Pacifica skyline. Some beautiful days. Thank you for sharing this time with me. I appreciate you guys. Please let me know if you're interested.
How can they contact you?
Contact me at email address j.did2@gmail.com. It's jay.did2@gmail.com. Thank you all. Thank you for your time. It's a beautiful home. We love to, have good quality people here. Enjoy this Pacifica breeze.